Oh man, the coffee's cold. It's not the first time. I guess I'll have to put the coffee in the microwave. Ew! That's disgusting. When's the last time you cleaned out your microwave? Okay, now on a serious note. When's the last time you cleaned out your microwave? Now there's a very simple and easy way to do it without using a bunch of chemicals. Did you know that? Actually, most people, they end up going to like 409 or some sort of chemical that produces a lot of odor and all kinds of carcinogens and just bad stuff. And then when you heat it up, because if you don't get it all washed out, then it really gets bad and it gets into your food. And I'm not down with that. What I do is I use 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I put it in a microwave safe container. Usually I end up using my measuring cup, and I put it in there, I turn it on for 5 minutes, and then I pull it out and I start wiping, and it all seems to come off, and it comes off easy. Ah, now that's a microwave. I'm heating my coffee in.